How to beat uninspired closet or wardrobe without buying anything. Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you and I'm going to be giving you some few points on how to beat uninspired wardrobe without buying anything. You all know that on this channel we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and that is the reason why we check in our closets before rushing out there to buy anything for any occasion, because most time we can always restart what we already own in our closets and make them new as brand new as possible. The first point on my list might not be for everybody because a lot of people mix opinion about this point, and the reason is because it involve renting. That is one of the way you can beat uninspired wardrobe without buying anything. You're renting it, which means after the occasion you're going to return it. You might not like the idea, but I believe some people might come across this video and they will like the idea, and the reason is because it's going to save them money. Instead of buying one outfit for just one particular occasion, and after that occasion you no longer want to wear that outfit because it does not fit into your next big thing coming up, so it's better for you to go rent. I've never rented one before, but who knows, never say never. But I'm just sharing this with you. If you are in the school of thought of not buying things just because of one event, you just go ahead and rent it. There are so many websites on the internet that you can Google where to rent outfits for events. My number 2 point is by adding a playful touch to your outfits. Some of us will restrict ourselves to some certain of colors, because some certain of aesthetic, just because we want to be classy and we want to look like rich auntie vibes, give people that kind of vibe, and we just restrict ourselves to particular colors like nude. Just add a little bit of playful touch to your outfit. You know, I do that a lot on this channel. Like, I change this top to that top, I change this particular outfit to that particular outfit. Like, I put some touch of playful touch on my outfit just to make them look different and make them look more playful, even at the same time still looking classy and chic. So think about that. If you want to beat uninspired wardrobe without buying anything, play around with your outfit and you will see how far you can go looking stylish and playful at the same time. My third point is not too far from my second point. It's still the same way most of us will restrict ourselves not trying colors. Try to combine colors that people will not even think about it. I've combined red and pink together and they look good. I've combined bold pink and cobalt blue together and they look amazing. There are many ways that you can just combine colors that people will go like, oh wow, you can really wear that. I've stayed in particular outfit like 3 color scheme in some particular outfit and it still look good, it still look chic, it still look classy. All this you can just shop them in your closets and you will beat your uninspired wardrobe by just mixing and match colors that will look good for your skin tone, that you think it will fit your personality. Just play around in your closet and you see how far you can go. My fourth point, it's the problem that most of us we have. Okay, I am not, I'm not taking myself out of this situation, because sometimes we need to rearrange our closets. Yes, you need to arrange it so that you can be able to know what you have in there before you can be able to know if you're supposed to go out there to go purchase something or not. We are talking in this video how to beat uninspired closets or wardrobe without buying anything. First of all, go into your closet, rearrange everything you have. If you can do it in color schemes, you can do it in styles. Most of my closet I use colors to do my clothes. So if I'm thinking of what I'm going to wear tomorrow, if I'm thinking about pink, when I go into my closet I'll go to the pink section. If I'm thinking about blue, I'll go to the blue section. So if you rearrange your closet, you will finally see that sometimes you don't even need to rush out there to go purchase anything. All right, just go into your closet, rearrange it, and you'll be able to see what you have in there, and you will not have any reason to be uninspired to the point that you will go out there to go and purchase another outfit, especially what you already own in your closet. The fifth point that I'm going to share with you, it's a no-brainer. Most of my ladies will do this a lot, but just in case if you have never been inspired to do this, I'm here to inspire you to try to pair your jeans with a blazer. T-shirt and jeans and blazer, chic, fabulous, simple, classy, especially if you're wearing jeans that are not ripped. I am not condemning anybody wearing ripped jeans. If that is your style, my baby, please stick to it. If it's not your style, then do what suits you, alright? But I'm just telling you that when you combine jean with a t-shirt or even a camisole, put a blazer on it, you will feel inspired. That ordinary jeans that you're looking will become something more stylish just because you paired it with blazer. The sixth point that I'm going to share, it's a little bit of twerk here and there. How do you twerk your outfit? You could turn the front to the back, put a necklace, and it will look like it's a different outfit entirely. Your button down white shirt could be worn long. You could roll the sleeve up, you could turn the button to the back and open it a little bit at the back, and it will look different. Don't restrict yourself to because it's a shirt, button down shirt, it has to be worn as button down shirts. I know some people will not agree with me. I love to DIY my outfit a lot, make it look different from what originally it is made for. If you get my point, I've used a tube dress as a skirt in this channel. You would never know that it's a tube dress that I turned to a skirt, or a tube dress that I pair with another top. You will never know except I mention it to you. So those are the ways that you can beat uninspired wardrobe without buying anything. Taking what you have in your closet, think about another way to restyle it and get the value for your money. And the last point, which is my point 7, it's whenever you have occasion coming up, if you have an event that you're planning to go for, I would recommend that you play around in your closet. Go into your closet, think about the theme, the color of the events. Look at what you already own in your closet that will suit or fit into that occasion. You always want to think about where you're going. You will dress according to where you're going. All right, if you're going to the gym, we wear leggings, we wear a tracksuit, to the gym, but you're not going to go to a wedding wearing a leggings. You get what I mean? So you're going to prepare. Play around in your closet. You might end up not buying anything for that occasion because you don't know that you could play around, pick this one, pick that one, mix them together and make them to look like a new outfit entirely. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, ladies. Please do not forget to like this video and please do endeavor to share with friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative or informative. You never can tell. And ladies, finally, let your personality shine through your styling. All right, be you, be authentic, just do you. All right, but my advice or my suggestion is for you to always check your closet before you rush out there to go buy a particular outfit just for one event. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all for joining me today, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.